What up, everybody? So you saw the title. We're gonna be building this short bed Dentside in 4 days, and by we I mean a whole bunch of different people, because this truck just became Kyle's. What up, dude?
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing much. You want to tell them a little bit about what you're thinking?
Well, right now I'm hooking up a battery, try to fire this thing up, see if it lives, try to get a Crown Vic swap in it, and 4-link rear, and all kinds of stuff in basically no time.
Heck yeah, and then you're gonna drive it down to the Keys and maybe back home.
Yeah, take it to your show that you're having down at Key Largo, and hopefully make it back to Pennsylvania.
Hell yeah. And right now it is December 7th, and you're not seeing this for a while, but Kyle flew in to check the truck out. We're coming up with a game plan, and then he's gonna be coming back 4 days before Solos Beach Bonanza, which is a show that I'm doing in Key Largo, Florida. And we're gonna thrash on it. A bunch of guys are gonna come down here. We're gonna get it knocked out, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So today what we're gonna be doing is just gonna drive this. He's gonna check it out. One of my buddies has a Crown Vic. We're probably gonna strip for some parts, and we're gonna take you along. So here we go. All right, guys, we gotta fire it up. And Kyle's gonna get it pulled out real quick. How you feeling now?
Better. Excited. It's almost ready for burnout.
Oh boy. So how was the first 25 feet?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
Feels great.
Rotten banana feels right at home?
Absolutely. Listen to her, bro.
Awesome. We're gonna go take it for a cruise. We'll pick you up when we do it. You can drive it back to Pennsylvania right now.
Let's do it.
I guess I'll call my wife and be like, I'll see her in a few days.
Yep, that'll work. I got smiles, bro.
Hell yeah.
Always feels good.
Now we're gonna go to Napa, get some new fuel filters and maybe some other stuff, and we'll see when we get back out. Time to fuel her up. Alright guys, so we just finished up a little bit of the cruise. Came back, this popped off, that's why we kept turning off. So right now we're gonna pull it and go get us a fresh one. It also stopped wanting to shift so nice, so I'm gonna throw some ATF back in it. And there's a little update. So we just got back from getting a little power and popped this open, realized we didn't have a lot of coolant in there, so we're adding some water. And yeah, got them fresh looking battery terminals. Now we're gonna swap out to the Napa. This is not a paid product placement. And I think it's gonna be time to go for some more rips. Another non-paid product placement, but it's always good to do a Seaphone motor treatment. So it's got a full tank. You just put the whole thing in it. There you go. Didn't show you guys earlier, but my buddy Marco just got this Crown Vic from the west coast of Florida, and it was about yay high in water after the last hurricane, but had a set of brand new tires on it, 2022 date code, so I'm gonna put those on Black Sheep. And then Kyle's gonna grab a couple parts he's gonna need for the swap. What you think you're gonna need out of this?
Spindles, sway bar, try to use as much as we can on this.
Heck yeah.
The next morning.
I guess we're just taking this for another little drive, and then my windshield got a little wet, or Kyle's windshield. And now there's motor oil everywhere. I'm a little perplexed. Best way to clean your hands, huh?
Yeah.
So we kind of figured it out. You want to let them know?
Well, it looks like we got a little problem here. Maybe some oil leak, a little one.
So this line right here is cracked, and this is the line that goes to the oil pressure sending unit thing on the inside. But luckily, the truck still runs, and now it's got an oil bath, so it'll never rust again. At least this half won't. That maybe.
Just shined it right up.
But we'll bring it back to the shop, power wash it, not have an oil pressure gauge on it anymore, and should be okay.
Put oil in it.
Put oil in it.
Probably.
We got Simi to the rescue. Who says having your own little tow truck isn't a good thing? Good thing we got Alignment King's Towing over here. You know, quick service. Thank you, Sim.
It's a neutral, it's good?
Yeah.
Steering wheel doesn't lock, right?
Correct. You want me to sit in it? Well, now we're cruising again, except, you know,
A little differently.
well, it's time to clean it off. Back to fire it up, all things cleaned up, and Kyle put a plug for the oil thing, and we're just burning off the excess oil right now, but it's good news. We're gonna go into Publix over here.
Public subs!
Got my kid, and are you gonna be a good boy?
Public subs?
You gonna be a good boy?
Yeah.
Gonna end off this video. That means that you're heading home?
I'm going home.
So see you in like a month?
Yeah, just about a month.
So the real question is, we know this has a coyote in it. Do you think it'll burn out?
I don't know. What do you think?
I mean, that's a great way to send off this video.
I gotta go that way.
Here you go. Safe travels, bro.
All right, buddy.
Talk to you soon.
Appreciate you. Yep. See you.
Well, started off as a one tire fire, and then posi locked in. So there we go. If you guys want to see the rest of this video stuff with, what is he calling it? Rotten Banana, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow Outcast Autoworks on Instagram. If you want to support us, subscribe. If you can, hit like on the video. Drop a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. We'll see you in the next video.